Hello guys, what is up? Welcome to my channel. This is my very first video. Guess who's on YouTube? It's your girl KD. And I'm very excited to share this with you guys. It's okay, part of life. So moving on to the actual content, I created this look today that I'm wearing and I'm gonna share with you all how I did it. So keep watching guys. I just got over with washing my face and now I'm gonna apply my moisturizer. It's from Oriflame Love Nature Aloe Vera Moisturizer. It's very nice. It brings out the glow, the spark in your skin, the natural glow that you have. So everybody who knows me knows I glow like a goddess. So this is the secret behind it. And yeah, you can see how gorgeous it looks. So moving on to the second item, that's my BB cream from Oriflame again, and it's wearable on its own. Like you cannot wear foundation and only wear this, but I use it as a primer. Like I use it before the foundation when I have to like glam things up, and this works very well. And guys, please don't forget your neck. It's very important. We all know that. Don't leave it behind. It'll feel bad. Okay. So I keep wearing my glasses to ensure if everything's alright. Moving on to the foundation, I used Maybelline's Fit Me foundation in the shade Warm Nude Beige, and the number is 128. This works really well. It really ensures your poreless. The pores don't show up, and it is buildable. You can work with it if you take time to apply your foundation, or if you take time to do things in life. This is for you. So let me tell you all guys, there's a misconception. People usually go a shade lighter, like a shade or two. I've seen people wear the wrong foundation, and the common mistake made is wearing lighter shade of foundation. Keep in mind to match the skin tone you are in order to cover your discoloration or pigmentation. So next time before buying your foundation, keep that in mind guys. So, working my way in with the beauty blender, blending things in. I really blend a lot. Again guys, don't forget your neck. So moving on to the next product, I'm using NYX Professional Makeup Build 'em Up Powder Brow Filler, and it is legit. It works. It does its thing, and yeah, you can go out without foundation, without lipstick, highlighter, but don't go out without brows. Or you can easily play things cool if you're lazy and if you don't have the mood of like applying the entire makeup or putting on something that takes up time. You can easily do your brows and just walk out of the house like a goddess. Wiping the excess off with my fingers. So everything I'm gonna do in this video, I'm using my fingers. I ordered my brush but they didn't get delivered yet, and I wanted to film this video right away, so I had the urge, so I did it. I used my beauty blender like almost for everything. Creating brows is also a task to do. It's like painting. You need to be artistic. It's not easy. Guys out there, I'm telling you, it's not easy for girls to do makeup. Next, moving in with my brush that I bought from Manish Market. It's a normal eyeshadow blending brush. so I use it to blend my brows and also to apply my brows. I'm gonna show you next what I do with this brush and my brows. Also taking any excess off that would make my brow look patchy. When there's too much product at the very beginning of your brow, it makes it look kinda not real. To be real, you can take things off with your finger, guys. Feel free. Trying to get the perfect brows. Also, here I am using my single black eyeshadow, which I mix up with my moisturizer or some hair gel to create the perfect eyebrow filler. It level ups the game. So wearing my glasses again to check if everything's alright. Also, keep yourself hydrated, guys. It's very important. Moving into the next product, it's Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind concealer in the shade medium that I go for. That's which works for me. So my under eyes. Okay, I have a thing of covering my eyelids with the concealer. I know people who do that, and even I do that. So there's a stick man on my head now, and I'm kind of trying to bring light into my face. Little goes a long way, but I like to use a lot. Even this is workable, this is blendable, this is easy to use. It's good. I've been using it for a long time now. I usually don't wear foundation and concealer, but everything else, because moisturizer, I use moisturizer like every single day. But when you need to do a full glam, you need the foundation and concealer as well. Blending in, guys. I'm a very bad blender. Trust me. The product is very good. I am not blending in properly. It's okay, you learn as you live. So I went in with my Lakme Whitening Rose Powder. It secures the concealer. I also use it for baking or blotting or blocking the oils, natural oils from oozing out. See, it works very nicely as a loose powder. It's anyway loose powder, but the professional ones that you get are a lot pricier than this. I also use it to secure my foundation, which I forgot to do before. So gotta wait. It created a nice crease. Also taking any excess off or blending the powder into my skin with my beauty blender again. So for bronzing, I'm gonna use Sugar's Contour the Force Mini Bronzer. I bought this from Nykaa. I bought almost everything from Nykaa, but a couple of things here and there. It is very pigmented. It helps you create that dent you need under your cheekbone to have a sleek face. I've been using this for quite a few months, and I'm very happy with the product. It's very pigmented, guys. You gotta work your way in, blend it properly, or it could look streaky on your face, and that's not good. Feel free to use your fingers, guys. It's okay. Don't forget your jawline. Again, using my beauty blender to blend things in and apply the contour or the bronzer. Using the same product to contour my nose. Also on my cupid's bow, like the dent over there, to deepen it, and under my lips, that creates a illusion of making your lips look fuller and plumper. More blending. I went little heavy handed on my nose, and I'm gonna correct it right away with my concealer in some time. Still contouring the forehead. So using the same product with my fingers onto my eyelids to give it a little life. Used my moisturizer. I do it every time with all of my eyeshadows, the ones who don't stay put in your eyes. Using moisturizer kinda makes it not a powder and little bit liquidy. With the next product that I'm using here is Lakme's Face Sheer in the shade Sunkissed, and when I looked at it online, I knew I could use it as a highlighter, but I didn't know that it would work so well. You can see that glow, it's blinding and soft as well. I really loved it, and I love it still. So working by my way in with my beauty blender. It's my pal. It's been there when nobody was there. So happy with the highlighter. You can see it on my face. Highlighting my forehead, my nose, the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose. Yeah, with going in with my finger. My face looks alive. It's living, guys. Finally. Also highlighting the cupid's bow and the chin. My favorite product after the lipstick. You can see how blinding it is. Using the same product for my eyelids. I like using a single product as multitasking or for several things on my face. It's convenient when you're traveling, it's convenient anyway. I like mix matching things, and this is how I do my makeup. Also using the same product on the tips of my finger to brighten up the inner corner of my eyes. And under the eyebrow on my brow bone to light things up there as well. I'm in love with this, guys. I really love this. It came with a sponge that I took off and used the pigmented product which was inside of the jar. Checking things again with my glasses. I look so bomb with my glasses. I know, right? My face. It was tiring, guys. drink water, keep yourself hydrated. It's very important for good skin, also for other things. So going in with my liner, I use a pen liner. I call it a pen liner, not a dramatic winged liner or something, like just a simple line to give depth to my eye, to make it stand out from the all the jazz that's going up on my face. Also, the next product I'm using here is my very favorite, another favorite, that's a Maybelline's Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect Waterproof Mascara, and it's my jam, guys. It's my favorite. You can see the difference it created. You can wear it by itself. You don't need falsies when you wear this. It kind of gives you that longer lashes, fuller fake lashes, like the falsies kind of look without wearing falsies. I am messing up kind of little bit here and there because I'm not wearing my glasses and I don't have lenses with me right now, so please forgive me, guys. Let me go. Please overlook it, guys. Also going in with my white liner, white kajal, white kohl. I bought it from Manish Market, and this creates an illusion of bigger eyes. It makes your eyes look bigger. It is helpful. You can see the difference, guys. I used to not use this before, but once I kind of tried it and I liked it, so I started doing the white liner thing on my eyes. Next, going in with my falsies that I bought from Nykaa, and these are from Professional Artist Cosmetics, that's Pack Eyelashes, and the number is M75. The ones that you get here are kind of flat and not as voluminous as these are. I love these, guys. They look really, really good. The other lash I did off camera. It turned out to look good. So that's it, guys. Moving on to the last product, the star of the day, my very favorite ADS Pro Matte Me Matte Lip Stick or Lip Color, as they say. It's in the shade dark purple, but it's maroon. The color I'm very fond of. I love this lipstick, and it's in the number 424. I got it from Manish Market. I've bought it from Lokhandwala. I've bought it online as well. I'm in love with this, guys. Okay, so that's it for the day, guys. Thank you for putting up with me and bearing and tolerating my nuisance. Later I styled myself with my brother's jacket and a black dress that I had. So that's it for the day, guys, and it's very hot out here. I'm sweating like crazy wearing all this jacket and all that stuff, but it's okay. You do it for the people, you do it for the fam, and you do it for Instagram. So by the way, guys, it was very nice seeing you all. I really love you. Thank you so much for showing up. Thank you so much for watching the entire video, and thank you so much. That's all I can say.